Hello， 你哋好啊！歡迎你哋又嚟到 Kimi Boutique 嘅 channel 啦。今日我會帶大家去睇一間好靚嘅鐘乳石洞嘅餐廳，同埋會開箱一間旺中大靜嘅巴里風情嘅 villa。而家即刻去片啦 ，Let's go！
Yeah, so you will get all of this. Okay. Mostly our menu is seafood, liver of duck, and also with beef. For my side, this one is fresh, easy to drink, and also like the aroma.
Yeah.
Good.
Because-
you like this one? Yeah.
準備開始啦個晚餐。
熄晒燈啦。
This is the wine first.
Good to meet you. Thanks.
我哋今日咧特登嚟咗 Uluwatu 咧，係食個 fine dine 嘅。
呢間餐廳嘅名就係叫 The Cape， 係一個咧25,000年嘅溶洞所做起嘅餐廳，個環境超級浪漫同埋好靚。第一個主菜就係 scallop， 上面鋪咗魚子醬。
呢個仲痛啊！
This is we continue with the savory dessert. You have the pork eggplant. And then after this, you have the intermission bread. Actually, this is the egglet. Normally come with the sweet things, right?
呢個就係蘋果 walnut 鵝肝醬，上面仲有塊金箔啊！呢個咩嚟㗎？
呢個係 tomato salad 啊，裡面咧係混咗呢個wasabi， 所以一定要撈勻食啊！如果唔係咧，食中成根就好辣啦。
呢個就係 kingfish 啦。
That's we feature medium rare, and the sauce it's green pepper sauce with parsley puree. On top with the parsley chip, edible flour, and on side you have the spinach roll with burnt sauce. Thank you. Enjoy by together with us.
Thanks so much。
Fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. I want something just like this. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
我有睇緊呢啲溶洞裏面嗰啲鐘乳石啊。
Just like
其實呢間餐廳裏面咧，佢有一個溶洞嘅位置俾我哋去參觀嘅。
Ooh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this.
我哋又翻到嚟 Kuta 啦，
我哋今日住 Wangkok Villa。
就可以快個做個 room tour 啦。
Oh, I want something just
兩張好大嘅
I
sofa
want
椅。
something just like
呢間 villa 個面積都幾大下嘅，閒簡約，摩登風，好乾淨。哇！部電視機唔細，繼續入去。等我快拍個浴室先。哇！好靚嘅浴缸，空棉花瓣。restroom 真係好大面積。出返嚟，去邊度？真係乾淨到一塵不染啊！有個偏廳，跟住仲有個 kitchen， 不過我哋就唔煮嘢啦。裡面個雪櫃仲係任你飲佢嘅飲品嘅。轉翻出嚟，坐翻出嚟呢張靚凳仔，睇住啲咩啊？
好靚嘅 party。
呢個 private pool 係超正㗎，係勁大個，仲係真係游到水嗰啲嘅，係好深真係。澳洲嘅牛肉，買緊呢個豬腩，好似好正喎。當然唔少得我個大醬湯飲下啦。
哇！又到咗機場，準備翻香港啦。眨眨眼，我哋又完成咗巴厘島之旅啦！呢一度係一個好舒服嘅度假天堂啊！除咗有沙灘美景、特色 villa 之外，仲可以沉浸式感受下呢個大自然風光啊！心情真係好療癒啊！我哋好快又會展開下一次嘅旅程噶啦，記住訂閱我，撳埋鐘仔，好快又有其他新片睇噶啦！下次見，拜拜。